Alright, here's the package. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Looks like we got the coilover wrenches in here and instructions. Cool Maxpeedingrods sticker. Let's see. Right. These are the springs for the rear. T7 springs. I'll go ahead and unwrap those in just a second. You get the rear perches for the springs. Very nice. These are going to be the shock absorbers for the rear. I'm running out of space. Here's the other back one. Right. These are the coilovers. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. Here's all that comes in the package. So the front ones have dampening adjustment, have camber adjustment as well, and lowering adjustment. The back ones just have dampening adjustment and lowering adjustment. It looks like the shock absorbers have lowering adjustment. And you could also lower your ride height with the springs as well in the rear. I'm super happy for winning this giveaway, and I'm really excited to go ahead and install these. So I'm gonna adjust them. I'm gonna adjust the ride height real quick and then go ahead and throw them in. Alright, got the front on jack stands. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the back up in the air and then take the wheels off. Alright, got the rear end jacked up. Time to put my jack stand in. The car's on all 4 jack stands. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wheels off now. Alright, I got all 4 wheels off. I'm actually gonna go ahead and start with the front coilovers. These are the ones I had on before. So yeah, I'm gonna install the Maxpeedingrod coilovers. Alright, I got the coilover installed on the front right side. Super happy. Got everything all bolted up. I could pretty much throw the wheels on in the front. Here's that front left side again. So next I'm gonna put my strut brace on. Alright, got my strut brace installed. Now it's time to install the rear coilovers. Alright, so I got the T7 coil in, got the adjustable shock absorber in, it's all bolted up. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Here's the last coil and shock absorber that I installed. It's all bolted up nicely. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, throw the wheels on. Alright, so here's what the E46 looks like after the coilover install. I'm actually really happy with how it looks like. Once again, I want to say I'm super thankful for winning the Maxpeedingrods giveaway.